In this video, we show how to replace the M.2 riser board on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the M.2 riser board, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the M.2 riser board, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the riser, loosen the two captive screws that secure it to the system board. Lift the riser to disengage it from the connector on the system board. Now, to remove the M.2 module from the riser, lift the snap clip and then pull to disengage the pin. Finally, lift the module and pull it out of the socket. To install the M.2 SSD module, align it at an angle with the connector on the riser, then insert it until it is firmly seated. Secure the module by inserting the pin on the snap clip and then laying it flat. To install the riser, align it with the connector on the system board and insert it firmly until it is fully seated. Then tighten the two captive screws that secure the riser to the system board. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.